Hey guys, Sheila here from Mediavandals. Today is a viewer mail day, and the question comes from Connor. And Connor reached out last week and asked me, how do I make my videos look and sound so good? I spent a little bit of time shooting Connor a video on how to make videos that look and sound good on a budget. And I explained to Connor that you don't actually need a ton of equipment or anything really fancy to get started in video making. In fact, all you really need is a headset and your iPhone. So let's jump over to that video right now. And here is my full 10-minute unedited video to Connor. Before we get started in today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we post new videos every single weekday teaching you how to grow your business through things such as websites, digital marketing, and creating content. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Hey Connor, first off, thanks for reaching out to me. I think it's awesome that you have been watching my videos. Super pumped about that. Now to answer your question, how do I get them to look and sound so good? So I started out using the webcam on my laptop, and I quickly realized that webcams actually, like internal laptop webcams, actually don't shoot very good video. They are intentionally included because it's cheaper for the laptop manufacturer. And I have a MacBook Pro, and even the MacBook Pro, the webcam is just this crappy 720p webcam. So I realized that my cell phone, which is what I'm shooting this on right now, the front-facing camera, sorry about that, I just needed to reposition my hand there. The front-facing camera on most new cell phones is good enough to shoot video. Rear-facing camera is always better, but front-facing camera is pretty darn good. I'm using a Google Pixel 2, so my phone's probably 4 years old, and I'm getting this quality out of it, so obviously newer phones will be better quality. Now, I also have my case here. And basically what I do when I'm shooting videos in my office, I got my laptop there, I'll put the case on the laptop and the phone goes in the case. So this now becomes a webcam. So I'm just gonna pause this, and I just wanted to pause that and throw my phone in because it's a little bit easier to hang onto the phone when it's in a case because it's a little thicker in your hands, and then your hands don't cramp up. But that's what I essentially do. I set the case over the laptop screen so that it's not shaky. It's more like a webcam. Now, the audio that you're hearing in this video is coming directly from the phone itself. It's the phone's internal mic. In order to make the audio sound 10 times better, I purchased, I went to Staples and I purchased just this little $17 Sony wired headset. So when you put the headset in your phone, the audio increases exponentially. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this and I'm going to put the headset in so you can hear it. Okay, so now I have the headset in. So you can hear that the sound is drastically different between the headset and the phone itself. And the thing with headsets is you want to keep them separate, so either in each ear or fold one over your ear and keep the other one down, because if the microphone portion bangs on the other side or on the zipper itself, you're going to hear that in your video. So I used this for a while, and then I realized that because I always wear hoodies, this was hitting the zipper all the time and it was affecting the audio quality. You were hearing a lot of banging. So what I did is I went out and bought this. And this is This is actually, it's called a shotgun mic. So it's a little tiny microphone that has this little case, and you can plug it into your phone or into a camera. So I'm going to switch to that so you can hear the difference in the sound. So this is the little shotgun mic, and it comes with this little palm, so if you're outside you put it on and it cuts down the wind from being outside. But this is what we're using for all of Brandon's tradies videos, because we shoot them downstairs in the basement. So I'll put my cell phone into like a little tripod to hold it steady, and then I'll attach this to it on top, and when he talks it's picking up the sound. Now, because I've decided that I really love making videos and I'm going to continue to do them, obviously my equipment has kept changing. Just using these headsets are perfect, but I am getting more and more professional with the things that I'm doing, so my audio and video quality is obviously improving. So that led me to, I'm just going to take this out so that I can chat with you. Take that out. So that actually led me to picking up a USB mic. So the USB mic, excuse the chair, it's super squeaky. The USB mic gives me that radio quality sound, and I have, again, that little attachment so I can attach the USB mic to my phone. And again, the reason I'm using the phone is the laptop quality isn't that good. Now, I just picked up this webcam, but I'm still playing with the settings, trying to get a decent picture out of it, because they're I think the webcam was actually made for PC and I am on a Mac, so I'm still trying to figure that out, how to make it work. So between the webcam and this USB mic, I'm now getting really good picture and like radio quality audio. Now, a couple of, if you plan on doing these for your business, a couple of tips. Number one, I'm looking at the screen right now. What you want to do is actually look at the camera lens, because if you're looking at the camera lens, then it looks like you're looking at the actual person you're talking to rather than looking at yourself on the screen. Now my eyes are pointed that way. The second thing you want to do is, if I turn this way, you see the image is really washed out, it's really hard to see. You always want to keep your face towards the light, so keep the light in front of you. I've got the window here, and if I actually open this blind, you see it gets much, much lighter. So you want to keep just enough light that your face is very clear. The other thing you can do is you can turn sort of so light is only coming in on one side and you get a bit of shadow here, and it makes things look a little more cinematic. Now, if you have no light at all, you can see I have these two lights and this light. So when I'm sitting here, the light's coming down from this side and from this side, and it's getting light on my face. Now, because the sun is on this side right now, and I have two full walls of windows, you obviously want to face the windows. So that's, that light is coming down. So if you can't have light in a room, make sure you're facing the light somewhere. And if you have a really busy background, you still want to face the light, but you want to put a light on the floor behind you somewhere to sort of illuminate, because then you'll get an outline of yourself and your body won't be blending into the background. All of these toys, you don't actually need them. I just get it because, one, I love technology, and two, I'm probably going to keep doing these videos forever. I love them. But really the only thing that you need for successful videos is good good quality sound. If your video itself is grainy, but the sound is great, people will continue to watch it. So, you know, go spend $17 on a headset. That's it. Use your phone and a headset. If the video is great and the sound quality is crappy, people will tune out, man. People don't want to sit through crappy audio. It makes all the difference. I have had videos that I was so excited to watch from other people, and the audio quality was so bad I just couldn't sit through them. Now, as for the video production, I use a program called Final Cut Pro for Mac. It's a $400 program. You don't need it. The only reason why I use it is because that's what I learned going through school, and I really like all those bells and whistles. If you're on a Mac, you can, and you want to edit your videos, you can do it with iMovie, which is free. If you are on a PC, I think Windows Movie Maker is free. But you don't need to do that. You can just shoot video in the RAW, upload it to YouTube. When it gets to YouTube, you have the ability to cut out pieces of the video if you want to make some edits. They have a little YouTube studio once you upload them. But yeah, going in the RAW and not having edits makes it a little bit more personable, a little bit more realistic. That's really all you need. Okay, so there you have it. That was my video to Connor on how to make videos that look and sound good on a budget. Let me know in the comments down below if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you're going to try some of these tips and tricks. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you back here for business tomorrow. Cheers.